Opa, you're back with Jack the Greek, and today is day 4 of our crossfade challenge. If you look in front of me, we have some beautiful mushrooms, and we are going to cook some beautiful hamburgers. Opa. To make our burger mince, we have some beautiful mince from Preston Market. I've got about 1 kilo in there, just like that. I'm going to put an egg, just in like that. A little bit of oil, like that. Some breadcrumb, like that there, and some parsley as well. It's up to you what you want to put in. You can put some onion if you like, but the kids don't like onion, so I'm going to keep it away today. Now, we have got it all ready. We're going to mix it in, just like this. Beautiful. This won't take long, and as I said, this meal won't take longer than 10 minutes. From the time we prepare our mince to the time we plate it up, we'll be able to do it in 10 minutes. A little bit more breadcrumb. And this is how quick it is to actually make some burgers. Grab them in your hand, just around about a ball the size of a tennis ball. Flatten it up, lift the crossfade barbecue, and place it straight on there, just like that. Grab another one. Beautiful. Just like that. And I'll only make 2 or 3, just for this demonstration. There. Beautiful. One more. And while we're cooking, we'll also put the mushrooms to cook on the side. And by the time the rissoles are ready and our burgers are cooked, the mushrooms will also be cooked as well. So while we're here, we'll make one more just to fill up the grill. Just like that. Here we are. Let's put them all on. And one more small one at the end. We'll leave these on the crossfade barbecue on low with all 4 burners over the entire grill for around 3 minutes with the lid down, and we'll come back and show you the end product. It's been around 6 minutes now. Let's have a look at how our hamburgers are going. If you come in closely, you see that I've turned them around once and they're looking very, very nicely. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And if you look at the mushrooms, they're just about ready. So what we'll do now is we'll plate our mushrooms very quickly while we're waiting for our mince and our burgers to cook all the way through. What we'll do is we'll just grab our mushrooms just like this. Jack the Greek likes to keep it nice and simple. A bit of salt and pepper and a bit of lemon. It doesn't get any more simple than that. So here it is here. Bit of lemon. Just like that. A bit of salt. We call this a mezze. Opa. And away we go. As you can see, during the break, I've toasted my bread and my buns, and they're ready to be served, to be plated up as well, if you have a look there. So, our mushrooms, for a bit of a mezze, all done in 6 minutes. If you look now, we're ready to plate up our burgers. Opas, we're back now with Jack the Greek. We've plated up our mushrooms, and now we're ready to plate up our burgers. We've got 3 burgers here, one for me, one for my daughter, and one for my son. Opas, here we go. So, what I normally do with my burgers is I pre-warm the bread by grilling it on the crossfade barbecue. I grab my burger, put it straight there, just like that, on all 3. Then I'll come over here, grab my cheese, just like that. I think we're nearly on the 9-minute mark, sweetheart. Just like that. Grab the lettuce, put it there. Grab a slice of tomato, because Everyone likes tomatoes. Just like that. And for my son, who likes barbecue sauce, just there. My daughter, who likes tomato sauce. Oh, beautiful. There we go. Beautiful burgers on the Crossray barbecue. Just like that. I cut the back off, sit it on top, just to show you. And I think, once again, for the 4th day in a row, on the Crossray barbecue, in less than 10 minutes, we have a beautiful meal for the family. A big thank you to everyone out there for following me. Day 4 challenge, hamburgers with mushrooms. Opa.